If you grind your teeth at night and you need to wear a night guard to sleep, you can actually treat the issue with Botox. If you grind your teeth at night, what actually happens is the masseter muscle contracts, causing the teeth to grind. The grinding gets worse and worse over time because the muscle gets stronger, causing the contraction to be worse at night. This will cause your enamel to disappear, your teeth to chip, and you'll have a stiff jaw when you wake up. Your sleep quality also decreases because you're contracting your mouth all night. A mouth guard protects your teeth from grinding down, but it doesn't relax the jaw. Botox injected into the masseter muscle will prevent you from clenching your jaw by relaxing the muscle. Bonus, if you have an oversized lower face, it'll actually slim it down a little bit as well, so you'll have a more chiseled look. So on top of saving your teeth, you also get a more proportional face.